research topic that we chose this year is how our local climate in Montague County, West Virginia affects the many roads and bridges that we travel on every day. This topic was chosen because travel around Morgantown is very dependent on the use of these bridges. We have 4 major waterways in our area, including Cheat Lake, Cheat River, Deckers Creek, and Monongahela River. In our presentation, we'll cover problems like black ice, salt damage, and temperature effects, and compare our local climate to the climate of Nordic Norway. Then we'll look at some of the materials used in the construction of bridges, some of the research being done at West Virginia University, and some of the current and innovative solutions to the many problems that climate can create on bridges. Now it's time for our feature presentation, Climate Questions.
Hello, welcome to Climate Questions, a game show where we test your climate and your knowledge of the climate. Hi, I'm Stephen Miller, and today we have 2 teams, the Huns and the Vikings. Let's get started. What state has the highest number of combined structurally deficient and functionally obsolete bridges?
West Virginia, where we have 71% that fit one of those categories.
How does the climate affect our roads and bridges?
With changes in climate with precipitation and temperature, the roads and bridges deteriorate, crack, and erode over time.
Correct. 2 climate factors the bridge designers have to consider.
Temperature and humidity.
What is the average rainfall in Montague County?
21.2 inches.
What dangerous effects can cause a bridge disaster?
Drastic change in temperature, cracks in the concrete, and salt that seeps into the rebar of the bridge.
Has there been a devastating collapse of a bridge in West Virginia?
Yes, the Silver Bridge in 1967, because they used chain links to hold up the bridge.
What two materials are most commonly used in bridge construction?
Weathered steel and cement.
Before metal and concrete bridges were made from wood, how did they withstand climate?
They used roof-type structures.
West Virginia University has a very unique transportation for students called the PRT, or Personal Rapid Transit System. How does this elevated system keep from freezing up in snow and ice?
They run hot water through pipes that go to both sides of the campus.
Correct. Name 2 professors at WVU performing research on how climate affects bridges.
Dr. Shukri and Dr. Riyad.
How are bridges in the human body similar?
They both need unique checkups.
What are smart bridges?
Bridges with sensors.
What do smart bridge sensors sense?
They sense vibrations, cracks, strain, and temperature.
How many sensors are in the Star City Bridge?
1,000.
Incorrect. Hans, do you have an answer?
770, which helped to get title Smartest Bridge in the World in 2004.
Correct. Name a northern Norwegian town that stays warm because of the Gulf Stream.
North Norway.
What do Norwegians do to their roads during bridges during extreme winter weather?
They salt it, plow it sooner than they deal with it.
Who gets more days off because of climate? Montague County or North Norway?
Montague County, because North Norway gets 0 days off.
What 2 inventions use chemicals to stop snow and ice from sticking to bridges and roads?
Safe lane spray action devices.
Does West Virginia use any of these products to protect the roadways and bridges?
Yes, they are testing it on 41,000 square feet of road in Charleston.
If you take safe lane spray action devices and smart bridge sensor technology and put them together, what do you get?
Our innovative solution, SOS, or Safe Overlay Spray.
Well, Nathan, what's the score?
Huns 9, Vikings 11.
Hans?
False!
Congratulations, brother.
Good job, Vikings. Now I'd like to explain our innovative solution. First, we did some research and met with smart bridge researchers, Dr. Shukri and Riyad from WVU. Now we met with Dave Weaver from AECOM. And with their knowledge and other research, we came up with our innovative solution, which we're calling SOS, or Safe Overlay Spray. It involves sensors sensing changes in climate and the necessity for action. This activates another set of sensors which detect a chemical compound. Then, an anti-ice chemical is deployed onto an overlayment which was earlier installed onto the bridge. Here's an example of the Safe Lane product. That concludes our research presentation, and thank you for tuning in to Climate Questions this afternoon.
Good job.
Thank you.
When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city.